Welcome to Scubafy. To get started, simply enter your email and password. Once you've logged in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. Here you'll see a snapshot of your bookings, active divers, upcoming dives, and recent customer activity. On the upper right side of the screen, you can change the platform language to Spanish, German, or Korean. Right next to that icon is the theme toggle where you can change the platform to dark mode or light mode. When you move your cursor to the left side, the navigation menu appears. Let's look at dive trips. Here you can manage all scheduled dives, including the trip name, date, location. Assign dive masters and instructors, capacity, and current status. You can also edit the trip or add additional information, such as assigning instructors and dive masters, updating vehicle details, managing participants, and tracking expenses. To create a new dive trip, start by entering the trip name and location. Next, set the status, choose the date, and add the start and end time. Then, enter the capacity and select the dive type. After adding the trip details, use the tabs at the top to optionally assign a vehicle. Select staff, add participants, and track expenses before creating the trip. You can also view a detailed breakdown of the trip expenses directly from this page. Hover over the left side again to access the main navigation menu and check customers. Here, you'll see a full list of your customers with their certifications, dive history, and balances. To add a customer, click the Add Customer button on the upper right side of the page. Fill in the customer details, then click Add Customer to save. Click the three-dot menu to view the customer's full profile and details. To generate a customer's bill, click the download icon on the right side of the customer's name. The system will generate the bill automatically. Once completed, the billing file is downloaded and opened, showing a detailed breakdown of services, dates, and the total amount to be paid. To generate a combined bill, select customers from the same group and choose the payer. The system will create a single bill and charge all combined expenses to the selected customer. If there is a separate payer, follow the same steps. Then switch to the Separate Payer tab and enter the name and details of the person who will be billed. Once the bill is generated, the system will clearly display the name and details of the separate payer on the invoice. Now, hover over the left panel again and navigate to QR onboarding. Here you have two options: download and print the QR code, or copy and send the registration link directly to your customer. Once completed, the customer will be automatically registered in the system. Hover over the left-hand menu and click on Equipment to view your equipment inventory. Here you can see your total equipment count, what's available, what's in use, what's under maintenance, and a full breakdown of all equipment types. Hover over the left-hand navigation panel and select Vehicle Management to view and manage all your vehicles. Here you can switch between tabs to view your vehicles by category, including all vehicles, boats, live boards, and cars. To add a vehicle, click the Add Vehicle button and enter the vehicle details, including the type, capacity, registration, information, assigned crew, and an optional image. Once completed, save to add the vehicle to your fleet. Hover over the left side navigation panel and select Staff to view and manage your team. Here you can see all your staff members along with their roles, contact details, and access permissions. Now let's go to Tasks. Here you can see all tasks across your dive center, including who each task is assigned to, along with its due date, priority, status, and category. Scubafy also includes a course tracker feature that lets you manage and monitor all your diving courses. You can easily view course levels, schedules, assigned instructors, enrolled students, course status, and related expenses all in one place. Next is the calendar. This gives you a full overview of all scheduled dive trips and courses displayed by date. You can easily see what's upcoming, in progress, or completed, helping you plan and manage daily operations at a glance. And of course, the Finances section gives you a clear overview of your dive center's financial performance, including total revenue, expenses, profit margin, visual reports to track trends and category breakdowns over time. And that's Scubafy. Everything you need to manage your dive center, all in one place.